Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to show you how to make some money fast using shadow foam. Now we're just quickly marking out for the Mortise here with the pencil. Alright, we've got the camera turned round and the lathe turned on, and we're going to start by turning it to shape. First tool we're going to be using is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. So shadow foam is usually used as a ultimate toolbox and in general workshop organising foam. As you can see here, I used it to store a few little things in my workshop. But today, like I say, we're going to use it for something a little bit different. So yeah, we're just going to carry on taking it round to shape, kind of like a donut style shape to start with. There we go. Alright, so now we are just going to make the mortise. So we're going to, first tool we're going to use is the mid-size detailer. Now the number 1 hollower just to clean it all out. The mid-size rougher to flatten everything off. And back to the detailer so it matches the angles of the jaws in the chop. And we're going to give it a few little detail lines in the bottom of the mortise. Make it look pretty. There we go, so I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're going to sand up to 400 grit here with Klingspor Abrasives. There you go. Clean the grain out with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some matte sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. And some Yorkshire Grit Abrasive paste. Wipe this all over until you have a clean paper towel and you end up with the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. And there you go. Alright, some Hampshire Sheen Microcrystalline wax. Just going to wipe this all over now. Start off with the lathe slow, make sure you get nice even coverage. Then we're going to turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 and then buff it in by building up that heat, being careful not to push too hard. You want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. And there we go. Alright, so now we are going to cut the foam, which is going to be on the inside. You may have already guessed what we're going to be making, so we're going to cut round a tin of Hampshire Sheen here. Going to be the perfect circle. This is a fantastic scrap project. If you have any foam left over, there we go. There's our circle all cut out. Alright, so now we're going to make effectively a bowl, and this is going to be the recess to put the foam in. So we're going to flatten the top off with the mid-size rougher. Using the calipers to mark out the exact diameter. Be careful doing this, so you only want to put the left hand side down. Now we're going to grab a pencil so both you and I can see it. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to hollow it out. The first tool we're going to use is the #1 hollower. And now the mid-size rougher, just to flatten off all of the sides. And there you go. Move the tool rest. Clean out any dust that's in there. I'm going to give it a quick wipe down with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Alright, so you can leave it as is. They do have a wide array of different colour foam, as you can see on the picture indicated on the screen. But I've decided to cover mine in some black fabric. So I'm not a seamster, so you have to excuse my fabric cutting skills. So I did it to the best of my ability, unfortunately. So yeah, we're gonna wrap it up with some fabric and with the hot glue here. Be sure to head over to the ShadowFoam website where you can go and grab yourself a sample and have a go at this, or if you wish to have a go at storing your tools, may it be in a workshop or on the wall. There will be a link in the description where you can get yourself a nice little sum off. So yeah, with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, share your friends, share your family, share your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.